Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Phantom wallet. Follow these steps to enable this feature and protect your assets. Step 1. Open Phantom Wallet. Launch the Phantom Wallet application on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Look for the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Click on it to enter the settings menu where you can manage your account preferences. Step 3. Find Security Options. Within the settings menu, locate the security options. This section will provide various security features, including the option for two-factor authentication. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use Asterisk to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Follow setup instructions. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. This may involve scanning a QR code or entering a verification code sent to your phone or email. Once you have completed these steps, your Phantom wallet will be secured with two-factor authentication, providing an additional layer of protection for your assets. Always remember to keep your authentication method secure.